So if you've put in slider for an outlet, then double click on the ID, and here you want UI slider, but you want it to prompt you. So once it prompts you, you just press enter, accept the prompt, and then you have to press enter again for it to take that. Then again add another one that's going to be a label, just to stay consistent with what Evan Dahl did, label, and then again the same thing, double click on ID and then UI label, but let it prompt you. And pick the one that it offers and then press enter, and you're all set. So now you want to bind these things, so you go to connections, and I think you have to do the slider first. Let's try the label. Oh, it took it. Okay. So label is bound, the slider obviously should be bound to slider. Now for slider change, we'll do what he did, which is go here and click on this guy. And then you see the slider connections under information, or the inspector gives you this thing here called value changed, and you just want to bind that to your controller class. So that's what that's going to look like, and then it's going to highlight that when you bring it to the controller and then give you an option, and then you want to click on that option. Now if you look here, it's been bound. And then if you click on controller here and then click on the controller connections, you'll see that all the linkages are complete. So at this point, just go to File and write class files. And it's important that it give you the name of your class here, which is controller. Otherwise, you did something wrong. Right? So click on Save. And then you do want it to write these files, so check that and say yes, add. And now you're all set, except you have to go and do a little bit of coding. It's the interface controller, it's left in, you have to specify a subclass. Yeah, this IDE, I have a close friend who's a good software guy, and he says this is one of the best IDEs he's ever seen. So here you go and then put in the NS object, which is a magic name for now, like so. And then you can just save that and go on to controller.m, where you have the behavior. And for behavior, we'll put in exactly what he had in the class label. It's prompted you dot text, excellent, equal to, and then the objective tree, and ss string, string. Then you want to do string with format, and format, and then here you're going to do add. Hope you can see that. You're going to do add %0.1f, and then slider dot value. So type that, and you see here, as you finish typing, it's gonna do all those nice things. Okay, so save that, and then if you hit build and go at this point, everything